Feel like you have clumsy steps? Guess what? The fat still melts. This workout proves you don't have to be a dancer to get a slimmer you. Just get ready to have fun.
Warm up for 40 seconds. It wakes your muscles and prevents injuries. Jumping jacks boosts heart rate and full body activation. Skaters or lateral hops engages legs, glutes, and core with side-to-side motion. These warm-ups engages all major muscle groups and builds dynamic balance before a full-body routine.
Ready for first exercise. Let's do it 40 seconds.
Sarah thought she had 2 left feet until she discovered this one simple move. The diagonal cross-reach flow, where awkward becomes graceful and every reach melts away inches. Your slimmer transformation starts with just one flowing motion.
Good job. Ready for next exercise? Let's do it 40 seconds.
Meet Lisa. She avoided dance classes for years. Then she found the victory pulse celebration, and everything changed. Now she pulses her way to confidence daily. No dance experience needed, just you, celebrating your way to a slimmer, stronger self.
Good job. Ready for next exercise? Let's do it 40 seconds.
Emma avoided group fitness classes because she couldn't coordinate her arms and legs. Then she discovered the arm circle step touch combo, simple steps that taught her whole body to move as one. Now coordination comes naturally.
Good job. Ready for next exercise? Let's do it 40 seconds.
Rachel felt invisible at work until she found her inner strength through the power side step sequence. Each powerful step built the confidence she never knew she had. Discover your power. No dance experience required.
Good job. Ready for next exercise? Let's do it 40 seconds.
Michael thought dance was all about fancy footwork until he mastered upper body style isolation. Now he commands attention with just his posture and arm movements. Elegance starts from within. Let's unlock yours.
Good job. Ready for next exercise? Let's do it 40 seconds.
Grace felt stiff and robotic until she found her natural rhythm with lateral weight shift flow. Side to side, her body learned to move like water. Your fluid transformation begins with one simple shift.
Good job. Ready for next exercise? Let's do it 40 seconds.
David never felt strong until he planted his feet wide and owned his space with a wide stance power display. Every pose built unshakable confidence. Stand tall, stand proud. Your powerful self awaits.
Good job. Ready for next exercise? Let's do it 40 seconds.
Jenny thought she needed complex moves to get fit. The classic step touch pattern proved her wrong. Simple steps, incredible results. Sometimes the basics build the most beautiful transformations.
Good job. Ready for next exercise? Let's do it 40 seconds.
Alex felt trapped by his desk job until Crossbody Reach Flow opened up his world. Each reach melted away tension and built strength. Break free from stiffness. Your flexible future starts now.
Good job. Ready for next exercise? Let's do it 40 seconds.
Maria reconnected with her heritage through Latin hip flow sequence, moving her hips like her grandmother taught her, but with modern fitness benefits. Culture, confidence, and curves, all in one beautiful flow.
Good job.
Workout complete. Congratulations, you did great job today. Like and subscribe for more videos to come. See you tomorrow.